Right? Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, I want to show you how to make the code for my project, the microbit controller, the Tinybit controller. So first thing first, on start, you put the Bluetooth your service, and then you can just show any icons or make any icons you want, and then secondly you can make the Bluetooth. Yeah, you can make the Bluetooth. You can pick another one that is the on Bluetooth connected and on Bluetooth disconnected, because we need both of them. And put the icon so you will know when the Bluetooth is connected and it's not. So you will know. Maybe we put this here. Put like this in here. The next one is Bluetooth on data receive. It's in here. The Bluetooth one, Bluetooth on data receive. You need to make the variables data and also the variable speed. So doing that, you need to go to the logic, and then if true, if true, else if you put like this: data equals right, and don't forget you need to have these things. If there is no in here this thing, it is specifically for numbers. Then this is for it to spin right. This is for it to spin left. Don't forget to make it left, up, back, stop. Stop is of course that's speed to 0. Alright, and control speed is in here inside the bit. That is an extension, so you need to get it your own self. Like this. Yeah, by the way, this one is the compression is this one, not the one with the zeros. And I think that's all for me. Thank you for listening. Wait, no. Sorry. This was supposed to be just for me to show the code vlog, and then after this, maybe I'll just edit it and we'll move on to the demo. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright. Okay, Bismillah. I will continue. So you need to go to the micro control app, so you can control the microbit in the Tinybit. Here, you need to connect to the Tinybit here. After you pair it, you can move the Tinybit. You can move it forward, left, right, and also backward. Here, I will show you if it's on the floor. Upward, downward. This is left. This is right.
And refresh.
Like this.
And cannot run the code. I think it's already like this.
Alright, I think that's all for me that I can present. So yeah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.